How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use the hearing aid or hearing assistance mode on your AirPods Pro. And so what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to get your iPhone and your AirPods. You'll just go ahead and put these in, and it should pop up like it did right there. Your AirPods in your settings. You'll just go ahead and click on those, and then click right here where it says hearing assistance right there, and it's going to have you take a hearing test. Go ahead and click get started, and you'll click no for all these except for how old you are. If you click yes for those, it'll tell you that it may affect the results, so you'll just go ahead and click no, and then you'll click next. All right, and so it will go ahead and have you find a quiet place. If it's giving you too much noise, just wait a second and it should go back to green. Okay, guys, so you'll want to go ahead and click next. All right, and then I've already done that, but at this point I'll tell you to go ahead and put it in the correct ear, and to fit it in as snug as you can with it being comfortable, you'll just go ahead and click next. All right, and it's just gonna go ahead and start the test. You'll click start the check. All right, so it did that, and you'll click next, and it will give you a couple screens to click through. So it says the test will play tones at different volumes and frequencies. Each tone will pulse 3 times. You can play a sample right there if you want to, but we'll just go ahead and click next. And all right, and so you'll just tap the screen each time you hear a tone. If you miss a tone, you'll have another chance. So we'll go ahead and start test. All right, so after that, it is a longer test. It goes for both ears, about 2 minutes for both ears. But once you're done with that, it'll show this screen right here. You can just go ahead and click show results. So let's see here. So yeah, in both ears, it'll show you right here. I have little to no loss in both ears. You can go ahead and click done when you're done on this screen. And so if it deems that you need them, you will have the ability to either use prior test results if you're needing to set it up, or it'll give you the ability to use that only if you need it, it appears. So but yeah, that is how you would set up the hearing aid ability on your AirPods Pro. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.